Yeah, good morning, everyone. So market after reaching to almost peak of the market in US, that is all-time high, near to its all-time high, is struggling to take any big leap. Uh, Market is seeing some profit booking and remaining sideways at the higher end. Uh, Yesterday, US market remained more of a range bound. Uh, Today, even Asian markets are seeing some marginal profit booking, and futures of the US market are a bit soft. What we see that today, Nvidia, one of the largest AI company, which is driving the Nasdaq in near future earlier, can is having result today, so that can have some trigger on the US market in today's trade in the evening. So one need to be careful about that. Apart from that, uh, commodities are a bit more of a flattish, except oil, which came off by almost around $1.5. Aluminum is showing some positive trend, but other commodities are a bit flattish nearby. So we are consolidating at the upper end, both in US and India, and may continue to remain in that perspective in today's trade as well. So more of a consolidation piece is likely to continue in today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
You, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So we have seen some positive move in Nifty's in yesterday trading session in the earlier half. Then we have seen some consolidation, and it was mostly towards in the range. So it has Nifty has the upside range of 25,070, which we had witnessed on the 1st of August also, which is its previous high. So the thing is, that is the important resistance zone for Nifty. Today we're expecting a flattish opening and we're expecting a range bound move. Any big move in Nifty will come only when Nifty closes about 25,070 levels. If that is broken, then we can expect 25,150 to 25,240 levels easily on the upside. Whereas the downside support for Nifty is currently placed at 24,940 followed by 24,870. Talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty has been a little flat in yesterday's trading session as well. Bank Nifty is currently facing the resistance of its 50-day moving average, which is around 51,500 levels. If that is broken, then we can expect higher levels toward 51,770 and 52,000 level as well. Whereas the downside support for Bank Nifty is currently placed at 51,000. And if that is broken, the 20-day moving average, which is at around 50,070, 50,050 levels, that will act as a next support level for Bank Nifty. Talking about Financial Nifty, close at around 23,600 levels. The upside resistance for this index at 23,700, followed by 23,840. Whereas the downside support for this index is currently placed at 23,370, followed by 23,140. Talking about stocks, Lotus Lab is looking good at current levels, can be bought for a target of 478 by keeping a strict stop loss of 442. We have already initiated a buy call on this. DCW is looking good at current levels, can be bought for the target of 92 by keeping a strict stop loss of 8350. So that's all from my side. I request Derivative Street to take the call forward.
Thank you, Ayush. On the derivative front, the data continues to be positive. The PCR at 25,000 strike is above one, which is a good sign. Even though we are, near the 25,000 levels, we expect further buying to continue in the next couple of days. Nifty can reach towards the 25,300, 25,500 odd levels going forward. There was some amount of call built up yesterday, above the 25,100 to 500 strikes, but it wasn't, very high. Still, the highest call base is with 25,000 call, but highest put base is also at 25,000 put. So, definitely we are seeing the puts winning at this point of time. So we expect, a bounce from here, and in the next couple of days you will see some good buying coming in again. The stop loss for longs would be around 24,900. From the stock specific front, we expect banking to do well, as I've been saying the last few days. Also, another sector that we see some short covering in is metals. SAIL, Tata Steel, National Aluminium, NMDC. Hindalco, these has seen good short covering action, and they can probably see good buying going forward. So yeah, that is what one has to look out for. They can give good returns going forward. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. On the IPO front, today, Orient Technologies would list on the process. It's an IT solution provider company wherein it specializes in IT infrastructure, data center managed services, and network operations, amongst other services. Key clients of the company include Coal India, Mazgaon Dog, Jyoti Labs, and many more. Going forward, the company plans to introduce device as a service, that is DaaS, on a subscription model, which will combine IT hardware leasing along with comprehensive IT services. The issue size of the IPO is 215 crore. Post issue market cap is 858 crores. The price band of the issue was 195 on the lower end and 206 on the upper hand. Um, Orient Solutions basically works in a very highly fragmented industry, but it has created a differentiated position for itself and has, we can see, stickiness in its clients. And company has also maintained very good ratios at 34% ROC and 27% ROE, which is higher than the industry average of 24 and 20% respectively. And the stock would be available at 21 times FY24 post equity, which is again lower than the peer average of 32 times. And thus, we had given a subscribe rating to the IPO. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning. Today one IPO will be opening. The name of the company is Ecos India Mobility and Hospitality Limited. The IPO price band is 318 to 334. Details of the IPO are like issue size is around 601 crore, which will be completely for OFS. Talking about the company, Ecos Mobility specialize in providing shopper car rentals (CCR) and employee transportation services (ETS) to corporate clients, including Fortune 500 companies in India, for over 25 years. The CCR segment operates on a B2B2C model, where corporate clients are the direct customers and the end users are their employees and visitors. Through ETS, the company manages employee home office transportation. The fleet consists of more than 12,000 vehicles, including economy, luxury, minivans, and specialty vehicles like vintage cars and accessible transportation. Company also addresses global corporate customer requirements with providing services in over 30 countries. Ecos India Mobility and Hospitality Limited is the largest and the most profitable chauffeur-driven profitability mobility provider in India. Has a strong market position with operations in 109 cities. Its asset-light model and focus on technological advancement drive profitability and operational efficiency. The company's EBITDA margin of 16.3 surpasses peer average of 10.7%, showcasing better operational efficiency on the back of higher focus on the B2B segment, which has lesser competition. Company's ROC is 41.2 and ROE is 35.7%, are significantly higher than the average of peers. Despite having industry leadership, higher margin as well as return ratios, Ecos is available at similar valuation to its peers, and thus we recommend to subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Yeah, LTTS, that is L&T Technology, yesterday had a investor day, and wherein they had guided for the growth of taking the revenue to 2 billion and also the margin to 17 to 18%. This is comparatively positive for the company, and stock can see some positive movement on this account today. We had recommended LTTS in the last monthly call, and the stock is performing from there. Apart from that, Office, which got listed a few months back, has said that they had signed up for another 3 lakh square feet of office space in Pune, which is in a managed category. So that is positive for the office. Now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might see some pullback in gold and silver after testing the support area at 71 800 levels in gold and silver 85,000. So overall, the view remains positive, but however, some cautiousness is need to be observed as prices are resisting 70 to 300 on upside in gold, and silver it has been witnessing a resistance area at 86,000, 86,500 on the upside. So a bit cautiousness as there could be some profit taking if prices are sustaining below 71 700, then cautiousness in gold, and if prices are sustaining below 85 thousand, then some cautiousness should be uh, observed. And in metal front, copper, one can initiate a buy around 815 with a stop loss of 810. On upside again, 820 to 24 is the target we are eyeing for. Zinc, we are expecting prices to test 269 or 268 on downside. So one can sell with a strict stop loss of 273. And in crude oil, one can buy around 6350 for a pullback till 6400, 6420. And for trading purpose, one can also initiate a sell around 6480 with a strict stop loss of 6525. And in natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 170 on the downside. So for trading purpose, one can sell around 178, 180 and maintain a strict stop loss of 185. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.